No.
There's Big. I don't know if you can. Okay. We're on our way back. Woo!
There's a little.
There's... We're almost... There's my car. See it? The poor sideways in the driveway car. This is... We didn't take a very long walk. We had to turn around shortly after the last video. Because this is rather exhausting. As you can see, they're not even breaking through to the... What do we have, baby? About 10 inches, would you say?
Yeah, just under a foot.
Now,
Get in your car.
we got our mail the day of the snow. And now Craig's gonna see, if he can get in. You can see Craig shoveled this part yesterday. And as you see the deck, we shoveled that deck. Hey, Big, come on! Big, come on! Come on! Come! Daddy, don't you have a treat?
Yep.
Come on, Big! Boy, you got in.
Yep.
There's Big, who wasn't getting fooled.
Come here, Big.
Bend down.
Come here, Here, little. Come on, Big. Come. Here. Come. Good boy. Good boy.
Oh there! Oh, big
Hi,
boy!
baby.
Oh, the big boy!
Here.
Hello! Hello! We brought treats out to bribe them. Hello, boys! Oh my gosh, Daddy brought a lot of treats. Fight for the last one. My gosh, how many did you get?
A handful, I guess.
Okay, let's go.
Oh,
Let's
look at
go.
that. Take a picture of the house and out over in the distance. See, that's why it's worth tramping through the snow.
Yes, it is. It's worth surviving this toughness. There's the car. There's the house.